Hey, my friends. So another update that was pushed out by Flipgrid in the May 2020 updates. I mean, so many great things as they're taking a look at teacher feedback and request is in your Flipgrid. As you are now doing a lot of remote teaching and learning, and maybe you're going to be continuing to use this in your classroom for future stuff when it's not always remote, but face to face and different things like that. I hope you're starting to see the value in a lot of these things that Flipgrid can provide for learning opportunities. Is this? My wife, for example, is an eighth grade algebra teacher. When she goes to post a Flipgrid task, she's been using this for common formative assessments for her algebra class. When all 160 students submit a video, that's 160 emails she's getting in her inbox. Now, there might be a time and place where that's helpful, but in these moments, she doesn't want an email every single time. She knows that she's going to go in and look at the videos at certain times of her schedule. She's trying to compartmentalize her day so she's not just constantly checking email, constantly feeling the need to be looking at work at all hours of the day because she's starting to realize she's working 12 to 16 hours a day by constantly feeling she needs to be checking stuff all the time. So we can adjust these settings in there, one to keep your inbox a little less cluttered, one to keep your sanity, and for you to figure out what works best for you. Maybe you really do need all the emails and you use email filters and things like that, and it's not a problem. But I just want to show you what's available because this is a newer update that you may or may not be aware of. So here I am in the Flipgrid Geeking PD that we've been exploring this entire time down here as we've been learning. Now what I can do is from this grid page, I can go to actions and I can go to grid notifications. And what I can do then is I can adjust how I get an email notification. Maybe I do want it with every new video. I just need to know, and that's how I'm using my checklist. Great, use it. There's no problem with that in any capacity. But maybe I want to change it. So I could get a daily report. I could get a weekly report, or maybe I never want to get a notification. I just know that I'm going to go into the Flipgrid. I have my own routine. We now know with the feedback submissions, I get the check mark or the score, so I already know what I've assessed and not assessed. I just want you to be aware that this notification piece is in there. So I like every new video just because I like to see stuff. It gets me excited when I get it in the inbox. It's like a little treat. But you can pick that yourself. And so you can do it from right there specifically in the grid. Or here where I have all these other grids, I can do it right from here as well. So I can go in there and make those adjustments. So here's another update. What I'm curious for in this PD, make a short little video. Let me know your thoughts. How do you organize all the notifications? What is your preference? I am interested in general how educators prefer the email notifications. I know it's such a small, minutiae part of our day, but it can either be a huge time-consuming monster, it could be extremely helpful, or it can create some stress and anxiety. So what's your preference and why? What do you just leave a video response here in step 14? Let us know. All right, my friends, as always, stay awesome. Peace.